I received 2 boxes today, and this one's supposed to be my GoPro 10, and this is a gift for my husband, shirt. So I'm just gonna open first the GoPro. Okay, so it comes from Kentucky, and then just arrived earlier today. So I ordered not just the camera itself, but the other accessories. So I'll start with the camera first. So here is the camera, GoPro Hero 10. Right. Let me just take it out first. And this is the holder we call the L Grande. To hold the GoPro, it can also be extended. I think it's about 38 inches. And I got, this is the, I didn't know that there was already a camera, lens or screen facing the camera. So I ordered another one on top. Well, this is my first GoPro, so I did not really know. I didn't check anyway. I got a dual charger battery plus an extra battery. And the last one is the case, the protective housing. Okay, so this is a gift for myself. Just so excited to start using this one. So back here on the camera itself, there it is. Okay, where am I gonna open this? Should I tear this one? Oh, there. Oops. I really don't know. I probably have to tear this one. Oh, right here. It says tear. Okay. Here we go. Oh, good thing. I thought there was nothing to put in the camera. Here it is. So it's got the battery itself. Oh, I'm gonna show you. Mount. I don't know exactly technical terms for this one. And this is the camera itself. I'm not really very sure the distinction of this from the previous GoPro, but here it's got a huge lens on the back. I think this is already like touchscreen, and you got the lens in the front. I'm a little bit not able to see that far, so I think that's the reason why I got the extended camera here, a face forward screen, so I could, because it's a little bit bigger screen than this one, almost the same as the board. Okay, I'm gonna try to use this one tomorrow. So we're going to visit our friends in Roseville. I will try to see how it is. I got a different, like a cheaper camera to try it on, and this is definitely heavier than the other one. Okay, I'm gonna try that one out later. And here is the El Grande extension pole. There it is. It goes to... So everything in here I ordered from the GoPro.com, and they have a promotion. They take off $200 if you get this camera, and then you have the subscription for their cloud for $50. So overall the camera plus the subscription is about 350. And then by buying the accessories, you get additional 30% to 50% off each one of them. So overall, I actually paid like the full price of the camera without the promotion, but then I got all these other gadgets. It's a good deal. There it is. The pole. I probably would do this one first before I will destroy this one. Here it is. So I think it's just, it's very smooth. A little heavy, but should be fine. I'm not sure how you extend this. Oh, there it is. I'm not sure. I still have to start to do this one. But that's a lot better. And it's very sturdy. Okay, that is it. I just wanted to check the battery charger. I was so excited to do this one because I used up the battery all the time. And I tend to run out of it faster, so I was so excited to see that there's a charger. And the good thing is it's got an extra battery. Okay, right here is the charger, and then you have the extra battery. I already have one battery that comes with the camera. Yeah, the protective housing. So make note that these extras are additional price, additional add-ons. It doesn't come with the price of it doesn't come like a full bundle, but I almost like I got the full bundle because of the subscription, and I bought it from the GoPro.com itself. Okay, here it is. Okay, there it is. There it is. Oh, this is almost like disintegrated. Here it is. It's very, very sturdy. So you can really go deep sea diving without really destroying the camera. But I've seen there online that it said if ever the camera is broken, you could easily exchange the camera, no questions asked. But not really very sure if it's like scratches on it, but that's what it says in there. And the last one is the camera. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna have to like return this, so I'm not just going to open it. Like I said, because I didn't know that the camera itself already has the face screen on the front. And it probably is just so redundant to see two screens operating while I'm doing the water adventure I'm doing. So I probably might return this in exchange for something else. There's so many gadgets that you could choose at the GoPro.com, but having the subscription already gives me the advantage of just getting less than the regular prices. So I'm gonna take care of that later on before we sleep. And I'm going to open the other box. It's a Stolen Girlfriend's Club's t-shirt that I bought for my husband. This comes from St. Laurent, Canada. It comes pretty fast, almost just like an overnight shipping for about 2 days. I got this on a discounted price, but this t-shirt is made in, is it Italy? Italy. And these are like $100 and something each. But I got it really on sale. And this is really good for my husband because he's a very tall guy. Ay, ka, murag butol mo man. Is it the style? Nga mo bo siya? Kinted? You think it will fit you?
Dilim na kinted yun.
Look, sa mga holes na yun. Okay, this is the first one that we get. And he's gonna like use this one up because we'll be going somewhere tomorrow. Here's another one. It's pretty much the same. It's more boxy. I thought the other one was bigger. Pero pa wide gihapon siya. I think may go siya.
Dako na.
Pero pa box mo lang yung style. There's another one. This reminds me of Star Wars. And then I got the last one. Actually, the quality of the cloth is really different. I got him some hard leather feel. Those are very good quality too, but this one is totally different. It's really hard to describe the cloth. The first stolen one was different. Here it is. I think it is taas. Okay. Alright, so that's all for my unboxing today. And I'm really tired. It's already like 10 o'clock at night. But I can't wait for tomorrow because we're going to be leaving tomorrow.